So in this video we're going to discuss putting stages into your game, and let me explain here. So this is stage 1 and I got to the boss level, and when I beat the boss level we'll get stage 2 will pop up. See, it says stage 2, it gives me time to get ready for stage 2, and in stage 2 there's not one enemy, there's a second enemy, so it's definitely a harder level, and I've set the values pretty low, so you can see I got here to the boss again. If I beat the boss again, it would take me to stage 3. Now at this point I could put a different boss in. I just used the same one. In stage 3, I have 3 enemies that are coming in, each with different attack patterns. So it's definitely a harder level than the previous one. And that's what we're going to be working on today. And we're going to start just by making the blinking stage thing that comes on to the screen. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm going to make a new subclass of actor. I'm going to call it stage with a capital S. And basically stage is going to print text on the screen. We have something that's already doing that. We've got this score class that's already doing that. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to copy this constructor. Really, that's all I need. Now we're going to change it a little bit, but as you'll see, this is what I need. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to right click and copy, and I'm going to go to my stage class, and after the header here, hit return a couple times and paste that in. Now it's got the wrong name for the constructor. It's called score because that's what we just copied out of. I'm going to call it stage. There. And I want the image to be a little bit bigger. So my Greenfoot image here, I'm going to make 250 by 100. And I'm going to set the image to color.white. That's fine. I'm going to set the font. You can pick whatever font that you would like, but I'm going to change the size to 48. And what do I want it to say? I don't want it to say this score. I want it to say stage something. Stage, and then we're going to make a stage variable here. We haven't done that yet. We will in just a second. And here I'm going to put 10 and 50. Now this won't compile yet because we're missing this stage variable. So I'm going to come between the header and the constructor and type private int stage, and then in the constructor I'm just going to set stage equal to a number. Right now it's just going to display something, so I'm going to set stage equal to 2. Now I'm getting another error here. I can see that I forgot to import color, so you go up to the import line here and import color, import java.awt.color. Then you should be able to compile this, and it works. Well, let's see if it works. I'm just going to come over to my game. I'm going to make a new stage object, and hey, mine says stage 2 because I set my stage variable to 2. So this first video is done. Go ahead and watch the next video.